Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Smart 6 HD. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Google Wallet. Tap Add to Wallet and select Transit Pass, Loyalty or Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example, Payback Poland. You can scan your card or enter my member ID manually. Last card you can add is gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select to shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.